All right, Holland. You found yourself something that you really liked.
We're sort of sharing it.
Sharing? I'm pretty sure you clung on to it pretty quickly. You kept dragging me back to it to see it over and over. What'd you find? What is it?
A blue-eyed Lucy ball python, and I cannot.
Blue-eyed leucistic ball python.
I don't want to get the pink on me. Okay.
She was going to be one of their holdbacks, but they decided to let her go. She's super sweet.
Her
Beautiful.
name's Marshmallow.
Marshmallow. Very appropriate. She's so pretty. Look at the scale pattern on that.
She's a sweetheart.
She is.
Oh my gosh, look at that little snake. She's a beaut. I don't. Where's her head at? Look at those.
She's avoiding the camera.
Look at those eyes. What a gorgeous little girl. We got her scaped up here. This is her starter enclosure, a 25. Holland and Georgia scaped it all up nice. Looks good. All right, let's see if Marshmallow likes her new enclosure. Put her by her warm hide. See if she wants to go in her warm hide. She's sniffing it. It's all new to her. Oh gosh, she looks so good against the dark wood,
Yeah.
Holland. So funny how hesitant they are.
She loves you so much.
She does love you, Hall. Maybe she'll give you a hug. All right, you're gonna have to lay her down in there gently because she's being clingy and very cautious. Yeah, she does like your warm hand. And there she is peeking. No, you're not coming out, girlfriend. You need to go nose around in your enclosure a little more.
Can I close the doors so she doesn't get out?
No, she's all right. I want to get another shot of her here. Look how good. Look how the contrast between the black hide and her. Just what a beautiful. No pattern. You can't see any pattern on her. What a beautiful snake. All right, Holster. Close her up carefully.
I don't know how to close it.
You have to push up the lid just a little bit with your other hand. Show her, George.
Oh, the lid.
Georgie's an expert on these.
Sometimes they get stuck if you have to pull the latch on.
Oh, no, that's too far.
No, it's not.
The other one wasn't in. There's Marshmallow,
She's like, what the heck?
She's
our
so
new
cute.
snake. Pretty girl. What do you girls say?
Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.
Bye.